You should be checking out the Husky Underseat Gearbox if you're like me and every frustrated SuperCab owner out there and are tired of your thing sliding around the back of your rig. Now the gearbox here from Husky will make use of that dead space underneath those rear seats. It's going to install super easily and cost you right around 150 bucks. And speaking of that install, we're going to show you a little bit more on that later in the video, but for now, expect a super soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter and maybe an hour of your time to get everything in place, but more than likely a lot less than that. Now, if you guys didn't know, Husky is a really cool company that makes all kinds of useful things for your truck, such as floor liners, mud guards, mud flaps, fender liners, and of course storage devices like we're talking about here today. Now, all of these things have been designed and built here in the USA, and all of them do of course come with their limited lifetime warranty. But what do you say we dive right into the Husky Underseat Gearbox here? And guys, what you're gonna find is a very burly but also lightweight, impact resistant polymer material, kind of pliable, and that is going to be finished off in this textured rubberized coating. Now I do dig this coating for a couple of big reasons. First and foremost, it's not only going to help prevent the box itself from shifting around underneath the rear seats, along with the included safety strap, but it's also going to help prevent the stuff that you have inside the gearbox from actually shifting around as well. Now, helping that even further is the fact that Husky did toss in this removable divider here for you guys to kind of help keep some stuff separate if need be. But one of the things I enjoy most about this product is the fact that with those rear seats folded down in your SuperCab, the gearbox is essentially undetectable, while at the same time leaving full room for the rear seat passengers and their feet. Now finally guys, the gearbox, like a majority of Husky's other products, again, I know we pointed it out earlier, but I do want to mention it one more time. It is backed by Husky's limited lifetime warranty in case you're running into any issues with this thing, although I strongly doubt you will. Another big benefit here guys, Husky's gearbox is ease of install, right? Not a whole lot going on as far as moving parts, which means your install is going to be that much easier. And to give you a better idea of what to expect with the install, here is my buddy Andrew to walk you through the job.
All right, so let's get our Husky underseat storage in place. We have a base model truck. This is the XL version. Now, if you have a higher version truck, you're gonna have a piece of trim that runs the whole length of the seats. Unfortunately, ours doesn't have it. So what I'm gonna show you is how to mount it up in an XL. Now you have your straps right here. Right here is the bracket for the bottom of the seat. We're going to go through this square here. Make sure that the strap is nice and flat and even. Run it through the clasp right here. We're going to do this on both sides. So that's going to wrap up my install of the Husky Gearbox underseat storage for this F-150. For all things F-150, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.